Look at this. This is the kind of mess I'm talking about. They're advertising alkaline water enhanced with minerals and electrolytes for taste. Now it's pretty reasonably priced, but check this out. Here's something you probably didn't even notice. It's got ingredients. Since when is H2O? It says H2O, but it's got ingredients, so it means this is already is a lie right there, because that's not the ingredients. H2O, it means hydrogen oxygen. That's just pure water. But this has ingredients: water, calcium chloride, which is artificial calcium, magnesium chloride, which is artificial magnesium, and potassium bicarbonate, which is artificial potassium. Moral of the story is get your vitamins and minerals from your fruits and vegetables. Don't get it from this fake ass water machines. I just saw one of those water machines that has, it's advertised as alkaline water plus minerals for taste. Added minerals for taste. And the minerals that they add into it are artificial minerals. Beware of these kind of minerals. Beware of these kind of statements, alkaline water, because there is a difference between real alkaline and like fake alkaline. If you take the alkaline water that you buy from the store and you test it to see if it's actually alkaline, most of those waters are gonna fail the test because they're using artificial minerals to give it the alkaline title. So if you want an alkaline body, the best way to do it is to get real minerals from natural sources: rock salt, fruits, vegetables, or sea moss if you're trying to lead something next level. Beware of a water that has ingredients like sodium chloride, calcium chloride, potassium bicarbonate. Bicarbonate, that's like saying it's a byproduct of potassium. So it's not really potassium, it's an artificial potassium. It's not real calcium. Stay away from those waters with these false claims, because 9 times out of 10, if you buy that water and you get a water pH level testing kit, you're gonna test it, it's gonna be acidic. So yeah, they're able to put the label alkaline water on there because yeah, at the time when it was bottled, it was alkaline. But the downside of using artificial minerals to try to make water alkaline is that it's only alkaline temporarily. After that, it becomes acidic. Not to mention they're fake minerals anyway. You don't want that. You want to get as least about of that as possible. Stick with natural sources, y'all. Doing your own research, don't knock it till you try it. Peace.